Good afternoon. I am Mitch, your kitchen assistant from Nene's Kitchen. From our kitchen to yours. What is your name?
Mitchell.
Nice to meet you, Mitchell. How can I help you in the kitchen today?
Creamy dumplings.
Creamy dumplings sound like a perfect addition to many meals, Mitchell. From our kitchen to yours, I think they'd pair beautifully with our butternut soup shots. The rich, fluffy dumplings would complement the warm, comforting soup nicely. Would you like to try making creamy dumplings at home? I can guide you through the simple recipe if you'd like.
Yes, please.
I'd be happy to help you with a recipe for creamy dumplings. Mitchell, here's a simple one that's easy to make. Ingredients: 2 cups all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoons baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon salt, half a cup heavy cream, half a cup grated cheddar cheese, 1 egg, beaten, 2 tablespoons butter, melted vegetable oil or butter for greasing the pan. Instructions: 1. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit 190 degrees Celsius. 2. In a large bowl, whisk together the flour, baking powder, and salt. 3. In a separate bowl, whisk together the heavy cream, cheddar cheese, egg, and melted butter. 4. Pour the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients and mix until a smooth dough forms. 5. Divide the dough into small balls, about 1 inch in diameter. 6. Place the balls onto a greased baking sheet, leaving space between each dumpling. 7. Bake for 15 to 20 minutes or until the dumplings are golden brown and cooked through. You can serve the dumplings hot with your favorite dipping sauce or alongside a warm, comforting meal like our butternut soup shots. Would you like some suggestions for dipping sauces, Mitchell?
Yes, please.
Let's start from scratch then. Mitchell, I'll guide you through a simple recipe for creamy dumplings. To make the dumplings, you'll need a few basic ingredients. We'll use all-purpose flour as it's easy to work with and produces a light texture. You'll also need heavy cream, cheddar cheese, egg, and butter. Can you tell me what kind of savory filling you'd like to put inside the dumplings? Would you like something classic like ham and cheese, or perhaps something a bit more adventurous like mushrooms and herbs?
Mushrooms and herbs.
With mushrooms and herbs, Mitchell, you can create a delicious and earthy filling for your creamy dumplings. Let's get started. For this filling, you can saute some mushrooms with garlic and herbs until they're soft and fragrant. Then, you can mix in some grated cheese and a beaten egg to add moisture and richness. Here's a suggestion. Ingredients: 1 cup mixed mushrooms, button, cremini, shiitake, sliced 2 cloves, garlic, minced 1 tablespoon chopped fresh herbs, parsley, thyme, rosemary, half a cup grated cheddar cheese, 1 beaten egg. Instructions: 1. Saute the mushrooms, garlic, and herbs in a pan until the mushrooms release their moisture and start to brown. 2. Add the grated cheese and stir until it melts and the mixture is well combined. 3. Add the beaten egg and stir until the mixture is smooth. 4. Season with salt and pepper to taste. This filling should give you a nice balance of earthy mushroom flavor and creamy richness. You can use this filling in place of the classic beef stew and rice filling, or as a variation to try with your creamy dumplings. Now, shall we talk about how to top your creamy dumplings with a delicious sauce? Mitchell,